In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your screen late at night or experiencing eye strain from bright displays during your workday, then switching to a dark theme in Outlook might just be the solution you've been looking for. This feature helps in reducing glare and can be easier on the eyes, particularly in environments with low ambient lighting. In this guide, I'll walk you through a straightforward process to activate the dark theme, making your Outlook experience much more comfortable. Let's start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once you've launched Outlook, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the File menu. Click on File, which will drop down a menu list of various options and settings related to your Outlook application. Next, from this menu, you'll want to navigate to Options. This is located toward the bottom of the menu. Selecting Options will open a new window called Outlook Options, which serves as the central hub for configuring all aspects of the program to suit your needs. Now that you have the Outlook Options window open, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the tab labeled General, which is typically the first option in this menu. Clicking on General will present you with several options for personalizing your Outlook experience. Under the heading Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office, you'll find a section dedicated specifically to theme settings. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to select the theme you'd like to use. From the drop-down, you have several theme options, including the standard colorful option. To achieve the dark look we're aiming for, select either the dark gray or black theme. These options provide varying degrees of contrast. Dark gray is a softer, muted option, while black offers the highest contrast with a true black background. Choose the one that best fits your personal preference and comfort level. Once you've selected your preferred theme, it's time to apply it. You simply need to click OK at the bottom of the Outlook Options window. This finalizes your preference and activates the dark theme, instantly changing the appearance of your Outlook interface. You should now see Outlook appear in your chosen dark color scheme, reducing strain on your eyes and offering a more visually relaxed experience suitable for both day and night use. And there you have it. The process is complete. Enjoy your newly transformed Outlook experience, now equipped with a sleek dark theme. A small change, but one that can make a big difference in your digital workflow. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tip helps make your time in Outlook much more enjoyable.